Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the NVIDIA Control Panel display settings missing on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. You just need to expand the display adapter section and you just need to note down a graphics card model name. In my case, my graphics card model name is NVIDIA GeForce GT 710. After noting that, just to close stuff here and open up Chrome. You just need to search for NVIDIA driver download. Select the first link. In here, you just need to select your graphics card model, guys. Just to select the category and the series of the graphics card model. In my case, 700 series. Select the correct model and select your operating system. And select the GeForce. Select your language and select the find option. Scroll down. You just need to select the view option. Scroll down and select the download option in here and it started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to install this driver. After the installation done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services, you just need to find NVIDIA services. Just double click on it one by one. Startup type, set this to automatic and start the service. Select apply and OK for save changes. Do the same for other NVIDIA services listed over here. After doing it, just to close tab here and go to search menu and type msconfig. Comes up system configuration, click on open it. Go to services tab and checkmark hide all Microsoft services. In this list, make sure all NVIDIA services are checked. After that, select apply and OK for save changes and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.